you can see, they have so many, they won so many awards, the MR Awards, Malaysia. This shop has a variety of head display unit for you to choose. Yo everyone, it's me again. Welcome back. Today I'm at the Frings Audio Accessories shop. Want to do a little bit of touch up for my car interior. Need to change the head unit display because it's really outdated, and then change the Android car player to suit the car's interior, and then install ambient lights, check some wirings, also fix the issue with the tail light. So we're excited to see how the car is doing now. So let's take a look. This is the head unit that I'm going to change. It's the Dynavin 9-inch Android player. So this will suit the car interior, modernized interior. The workers are busy layering all the wirings right now for my cars. A little bit of touch up. And this is the old unit, so I also don't know what model is this. So models sold in 2019. It's just 3-4 years. As you can see, the car head display unit has changed so much. Wow, my car still equipped with the CD player. What? This is the original from BMW. I guess many of you, especially new generations, won't be able to recognize what is this. This is a CD changer. So you can change 6 CD. So you can put in 6 CDs inside. And you're going to change from CD to CD, then you just need to control it from your central console in the car. And the car can just change the CD. So very old technologies. But at that time, year 2000, that's pretty much the best of it. This shop has a variety of head display unit for you to choose based on your requirements, the screen size, and also of course your budget as well. If you're not sure of which is the best for yourself, you can consult the shop owner. This is the Dynavin DZ2 Pro series. It comes with the 8-core processors and 2 GB RAM. This one is the DP8 series, and it comes with a same 8-core processor as well, but slightly higher gigahertz, and it has a 3 GB RAM. Of course, if you want the fastest and the smoother for navigations, then definitely you go for the one with the 8 GB RAM. This shop is actually specialized in the SQ sound system tuning. As you can see, they have so many, they won so many awards, the MR Awards, Malaysia. And you want to tune your car sound systems, or you want to upgrade, do drop by. My car is changed. My Estima has installed a 3-way sound system. I could tell you it's really worth it, worth every single cent. Their tuning work is excellent. Alright, that's it. Hope I can take the car in the next few days. I will show you how the car looks like in terms of interior updates. Old car like the BMW E46 can also modernize it after just some minor touch-up of the car's interior. So when I first bought the car interior is really oldish and is slightly outdated. For me, my style of modding is I would like to make it more modernized. Of course, not too, because eventually it's still an old car, 20 years old car. So just a little bit of touch up, make it nicer for my everyday drive. Alright, so let's see how it looks like. See you.
3 days later.
So I've collected my car from Frings Audio Accessories shop, and I really appreciate all the hard work that they've done. They really did a good job by completing all the tasks. First and foremost, I've changed the Android player to the 9-inch unit from Dynavin Pro series, 2K resolutions, very satisfied. Secondly, I also got them to install the Dashcam for me. It's a Dashcam from 70mm, also 2K resolution. I think nowadays dashcam is really important. So I advise all of you who haven't installed any dashcam, please go and get a high resolution dashcam. Nowadays there's a lot of dashcam in the market. So I've tested few units. I've tested the Xiaomi dashcam, I've tested the DD Pi, and now I'm using the 70mm dashcam. Doesn't matter which brand you're using as long as it's a high resolution, because it's very important that, especially during the night, if anything happen, you would be able to see the whole situation clearly. Of course, you don't want to see that, but in case of emergency, that's the use of dashcam. So as you can see now, it's at night, but the visual is very clear, and this is very important, especially during any situations whereby you want to retrieve the footage at night. This is one of the best. Next, I've also got them to install the atmosphere light in my car, because I wrapped my car in a black color theme, Alcantara. So I think it's nice to have a little bit of touch up of lights inside my car. So the lights is a illumination light. You can turn on, you can switch to any color that you like, and also it can run based on the music as well. I'll show you how it looks like. So spending a little bit of heart to modernize the car is really a good satisfaction, especially for this 20 years old BMW E46. So now I'm sitting in the car, I'm recording at the roadside. As you can hear, there isn't much background noise, and I didn't do anything to the soundproofing. So this shows that 20 years old car from BMW is still work very solid. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.